Why are some people manifesting in days while others wait for years? Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams almost effortlessly, while others spend years creating vision boards, repeating affirmations, and still feel stuck? Why does one person attract their dream job, soulmate, financial abundance, or life changing opportunity seemingly overnight, while another keeps waiting for signs that never seem to arrive? What if I told you that manifestation is not about working harder, visualizing longer, or repeating affirmations 1,000 times a day? What if the real secret to manifesting faster lies in understanding how energy, emotions, beliefs, and aligned action work together? In today's episode, we are diving deep into the powerful topic of how to manifest faster. You'll discover the hidden blocks slowing down your manifestations, the mindset shifts that create rapid results, and the exact techniques used by successful manifestors around the world. So take a deep breath, relax, and stay until the end because secret number 15 might completely change the way you approach manifestation forever. Let's begin. Understanding why manifestation feels slow. Before we talk about speeding up manifestation, we need to understand why it often feels slow. Most people assume manifestation is about convincing the universe to give them what they want. But manifestation doesn't work that way. The universe is constantly responding to your dominant vibration. Your thoughts send signals. Your emotions amplify those signals. Your beliefs determine what you allow yourself to receive. And your actions demonstrate what you truly expect. Manifestation is happening every moment. The question is not whether you're manifesting. The question is, what are you manifesting? If you constantly think, I never have enough money, I'm unlucky, nothing works out for me, good opportunities happen to other people, then those thoughts become instructions sent to your subconscious mind and the universe. To manifest faster, you must first become aware of the energy you're broadcasting daily. Secret number 1: get crystal clear about what you want. The universe responds to clarity. Most people focus more on what they don't want than what they do want. They say, I don't want debt. I don't want stress. I don't want a toxic relationship. I don't want to struggle. But the subconscious mind responds better to positive direction. Instead, ask, what do I want? How much money do I desire? What kind of relationship do I want? What lifestyle do I want to create? How do I want to feel every day? The clearer your vision becomes, the faster energy can organize around it. Imagine entering a taxi and telling the driver, just drive somewhere. Would you reach your destination? Of course not. Your manifestation journey works exactly the same way. Clarity accelerates results. Secret number 2: feel it before you see it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting to feel happy after manifestation arrives. But manifestation works in reverse. You must feel it before you see it. Joe Dispenza often teaches that emotions are the language of the body. The universe responds strongly to emotional energy. If you want abundance, feel abundant now. If you want love, feel loved now. If you want success, feel successful now. Close your eyes and imagine your desire already achieved. How would you walk? How would you smile? How would you speak? How would you feel? Spend a few minutes every day embodying that version of yourself. This creates energetic alignment. And alignment attracts results much faster than desire alone. Secret number 3: stop obsessing over the outcome. This may sound surprising. One of the fastest ways to manifest is to stop chasing your manifestation. Many people unknowingly delay their desires by constantly checking for results. They think, is it here yet? When will it happen? Why isn't it working? Where is my manifestation? This creates energetic resistance. The vibration behind these thoughts is lack. It's like planting a seed and digging it up every day to see whether it's growing. Trust is a manifestation superpower. Set the intention. Feel the emotion. Take aligned action. Then release the need to control the timing. The universe often works in ways we cannot predict. Secret number 4. Raise your self-worth. You do not manifest what you want. You manifest what you believe you deserve. This is one of the most important truths in manifestation. Many people desire wealth but secretly believe rich people are greedy. Many want love but secretly believe they're not worthy of being loved. Many desire success but fear judgment. These subconscious beliefs create invisible barriers. Ask yourself, do I genuinely believe I deserve my dream life? Do I believe I am worthy of abundance? Do I believe I am enough? The moment self-worth increases, manifestation speeds up dramatically. Because you stop resisting what you're asking for. Secret number 5. Use visualization correctly. Visualization is powerful. But many people use it incorrectly. They visualize from the perspective of wanting. Instead, visualize from the perspective of already having. See yourself living your dream. See the details. Hear the sounds. Feel the emotions. Experience the gratitude. The brain cannot always distinguish between vividly imagined experiences and real experiences. When visualization becomes emotionally real, your subconscious begins treating it as your new reality. This creates a powerful magnetic effect. Secret number 6. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is one of the fastest manifestation accelerators. Why? Because gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance. When you appreciate what you already have, you send a message to the universe. I have enough. I trust life. I am open to receiving more. Start every morning with 5 things you're grateful for. End every night with 5 more. This simple practice can dramatically change your vibration. And a higher vibration attracts higher experiences. Secret number 7. Eliminate limiting beliefs. Imagine pressing the accelerator and the brake at the same time. That's what limiting beliefs do. You may consciously want success, but subconsciously believe success is difficult. Money is hard to earn. I always fail. Life is a struggle. These beliefs create conflict. To manifest faster, identify and replace them. Whenever you notice a negative belief, ask, is this absolutely true? Who would I be without this belief? What empowering belief can replace it? Transformation begins with awareness. Secret 8. Align your actions. Manifestation is not magic. It is co-creation. The universe opens doors. You must walk through them. If you want a new job, apply. If you want better health, exercise. If you want financial freedom, learn investing. If you want a successful business, start taking steps. Aligned action signals readiness. It tells the universe, I'm serious. Manifestation happens fastest when energy and action work together. Secret number 9. Protect your energy. Your environment influences your vibration. Negative people. Constant complaining. Fear-based media. Toxic relationships. All of these can lower your energy. Be selective about what enters your mind. Spend more time with positive influences. Read inspiring books. Listen to empowering podcasts. Meditate. Practice mindfulness. The higher your energy, the faster your manifestations flow. Secret number 10. Use the power of affirmations. Affirmations are not about lying to yourself. They are about installing new beliefs. Choose affirmations that feel believable yet expansive. Examples: I am worthy of abundance. Money flows easily into my life. Amazing opportunities find me every day. I trust the timing of my life. I am becoming the person who naturally attracts success. Repeat them consistently. Consistency creates transformation. Secret number 11. Act as if. One of the most powerful manifestation principles is acting as if your desire has already arrived. How would your future self think? How would they behave? How would they make decisions? Begin embodying those qualities now. If your future self is confident, practice confidence today. If your future self is disciplined, become disciplined today. When your identity changes, your reality follows. Secret number 12. Master the art of letting go. Many manifestations arrive the moment people stop desperately wanting them. Why? Because resistance disappears. Think about a time when you finally stopped worrying about something and then it happened unexpectedly. Letting go is not giving up. It means releasing attachment while maintaining faith. You trust that what's meant for you is already on its way. This state of relaxed certainty is incredibly magnetic. Secret number 13. Meditate daily. Meditation helps quiet mental noise. It reduces stress. It increases intuition. It strengthens your connection to your higher self. Even 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference. When the mind becomes calm, you hear guidance more clearly. You recognize opportunities more quickly. You respond instead of react. This naturally accelerates manifestation. Secret number 14. Become a vibrational match. You attract what you are, not what you wish for, not what you beg for, not what you desperately need. You attract what matches your vibration. If you desire abundance, cultivate abundance consciousness. If you desire love, cultivate love. If you desire peace, cultivate peace. Become the energy of your desire. Then manifestation becomes inevitable. Secret number 15. Trust divine timing. This final secret changes everything. Sometimes manifestation isn't delayed. It's being prepared. The universe sees the bigger picture. There may be lessons to learn, skills to develop, people to meet, opportunities being arranged behind the scenes. Trust that delays are not always denials. Every experience is guiding you toward your highest good. Your manifestation may arrive differently than expected, but often it arrives better than imagined. Trust the process. Trust yourself. Trust life. Manifestation is not about forcing. It's about aligning. It's not about chasing. It's about becoming. The faster you release fear, doubt, resistance, and limiting beliefs, the faster your desires can flow into your reality. Remember these powerful principles. Be clear. Feel it now. Raise your self-worth. Take aligned action. Trust the process. Practice gratitude. Let go of resistance. Become the person who naturally attracts what they desire. Your future is not something that happens to you. It is something you create. And the beautiful truth is that you can begin creating it right now. If this episode inspired you and helped you understand how to manifest faster, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly manifestation, meditation, and personal growth content. In the comments below, write, I am ready to receive my highest good. I would love to read your manifestation intentions and send positive energy your way. And if you know someone who is struggling to manifest their dreams, share this episode with them because one powerful insight can completely change a person's life. Until next time, remember, your thoughts create your reality. Your energy attracts your experiences. And your belief determines what is possible. Stay positive, stay aligned, and keep manifesting miracles.